Alright, so today I'm on the main strip here. I'm on the main strip doing a job here, a clean out. Not a clean out, but here to remove some construction debris. Alright, here's what I got to do. Today I'm tasked with removing this construction debris. Yeah. Right, this is what I got going on today. I gotta clean this place up. Let me get to work. Yeah, well, as you see, a one-man operation today. Yeah, it's not a job that I need extra, extra help today. So I'm gonna tackle this one, eh? Right? You gotta. I say in order to get everything in there, you gotta break these boxes down, man. There's a method to packing a trailer, right? It's like a puzzle, right? These boxes, you gotta break them down, and you wanna put all the light stuff at the bottom of the trailer now, right? These flyaway stuff, you gotta keep in mind when you're driving down on the freeway or on the highway, on the road, the streets, whatever, you ain't want nothing flying off your trailer that would cause harm or an accident to others. So you gotta pack this thing right? You wanna pack all the light stuff, the flyaway stuff at the bottom, and then you weigh it down with you weigh it down with heavy stuff, these bags here, right? Just make sure the money is right. Make sure the money is right. Me do the job, so me expect to get paid. Me live all day from 9 to 5 in a Babylon system, and the way me survive. Me pocket is empty, so me have to get paid. Alright, I'm sure the after effect. The job is over. I ain't gonna bore you out with no long video this time around. The after effect is what it look like. So it's done. Alright, there we go, another successful job. Another successful job. That was the after effect. Yeah, everything is in here. Right, everything good to go. Trailer all packed now. This is what we got going on here, right? I made a load out of all of that. It's all in the packing. Remember that. Make sure my money is